Hey everyone, today I'm going to take that bottom part of the damaged dresser off. It's about an inch, maybe a little bit more. I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to reinforce it with some 2x4s and then drill and attach some legs. I think they're about 3 to 4 inch legs. And then get it prepped for paint. So that will be happening today. Alright, thanks for watching. So now that I got all the 2x4s cut and pocket hole screwed into the dresser, I'm going to add the legs, and I decided to go with these legs. I think that they just look like they belong to that dresser. They should be fairly easy to attach. So let's put those on. All right, I'm not gonna lie, this dresser's taking much longer than I thought it would, but I'm making progress every time I work on it. So I guess as long as I keep moving forward, it's okay. Today I feel like I got a lot done, and so that leaves just I have to address the drawers as far as once I sanded them down, I found out that they're also plywood, like 100% plywood all the way around. So pretty much everything on this is going to have to be painted. I do have to take a little bit of, I think my router, which will be the first time using my router, I have to route these off because one side is good, but the other side has got a bunch of gouges out, and there's just no way I can fix it. So let me show you the groove. This groove here is pretty nice. I like it, but on this side, it's gouged a lot, and I just don't know how to fix that. So what I'm going to do is hook up my router and just route, I don't know, 1/4 of an inch off the whole thing. It should make it flush. Should make it flush to about here on these pieces. And then either I can leave it like that, or I can put another decorative piece on it. I don't know yet. I'll have to figure that part out. But as you can see, I still have some sanding to do. Have to get some of this paint out. The paint and sanding has taken the majority of this time, so it was nice actually to work on the legs and get that taken care of. I don't know why, but man, just legs, lifting it up off the ground, it makes it look so much nicer. So yeah, that's where we are at. So I'm gonna call it for today. This will be part 2. So part 3 hopefully will be the end, and we should be able to get everything buttoned up, painted, and for sale. That is the hope. Let's cross our fingers on that. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time with part 3. All right, have a good day.